Hi. Today we are going to learn about a new Pine script attribute called behind the chart. First, let's see a code and understand the problem that it creates. I have an indicator here called behind the chart. Here we have a condition that checks if the candle close value is greater than its open value or not. That simply means the condition checks for the green candles on the chart. If a green candle is found, then a label is plotted on the close value of that candle. These are the various attributes of the label, like its color, size, style, etc. Now let's add this indicator to the chart and see. As you can see, the indicator plots labels on the green candles. But wait! Some of these labels get disturbed by the candles to their right-hand side. The label text gets hidden behind the candle. To solve this problem, we already had one solution called visual order, which we had seen in one of our Pine script tutorials. We just have to right-click on one of the labels, select the visual order option, and then select the bring forward or bring front option. And that solves the issue. See, now the labels have come in front of the candles, and are no more disturbed. The other solution is the newly introduced behind the chart attribute. Let's see it. To implement this solution, we just have to write behind the chart equals to false in the indicator function. The default value of this attribute is true. After writing this attribute and saving the code, we have to remove the existing indicator from the chart, and add the indicator to the chart again. This step is important, otherwise, the effects won't be shown on the chart. So now, I have removed the existing indicator and added it to the chart again. And we can see that the labels have come ahead of the candles. This solution works with labels, boxes, shapes, lines, and many other things in the Pine script. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.